Here we have a vintage Bell & Howell 16mm sound projector. This was off of eBay. Got the power cord. It's 350 watts. No, it's dark. $120 volts, 60 hertz. 350 watts. Let's go ahead and open up the case. This here's your leg adjustment. Speaker output, 8 ohms. Mono, but you can get around that. Model 1575A. Serial 9268270. Get your tone control, your volume control, load. You got forward, project, rewind, reverse project. You can project it backwards. Some paint chipping on it. Supposedly it's mint, or close to it. This was out, so I had to put this back in. The lens assembly. Doesn't screw in it, just slides in and the gears catch it because it's got like little teeth on the side for the focus. So basically you just put this up, put this one up, and that's in the play position. To rewind, press the release button, put it up like that, somewhere like that, unthread it, put it on here, and it goes that way for rewinding, as it says here. To rewind, raise rear reel arm and attach front to film to raise rear reel arm and attach film to front reel. Set main control to rewind. Otherwise, it'll just reverse project it. Get your loop reset. That's in play position. So to load it, you click this to position 1, thread it. When it's all done, click it to 3, hit project, and away you go. Optical sound. So you remove this little door. You can reveal your exciter lamp. As you can see there. The way to know if the light's working, you got a little red window here that's illuminated when this is on. So if that bulb is lit, this little window will light up. Got your little focal lens there that reads the optical track. If you don't have sound, that can just take a little bit of compressed air and blow in there, like from a duster can or something like that, because dust and stuff can block the eye and they can't read the sound. I had a projector that wouldn't give me sound, and that was the problem. This is your height adjustment. Turn it clockwise and it raises up, as you can see. That way it lowers it, so you can raise and lower the height. I only played a short film on it earlier, just to make sure it worked. Somehow this is on a hinge and it opens. I don't have a manual for it. There it goes. Alright. Use this lamp only. Alternates may shatter. BHB. 120 volts, 250 watt. And it's a Sylvania bulb, 250 watts. I got bulbs. I don't know if I have this kind or not. I got bulbs for other projectors. So I have to go through my inventory and see what I have. But that's the little bulb that shines into the lens. Let's close that. Still got some styrofoam pieces falling out of it. So to release the arm, got a little release here. Fold Load that down. Snaps into place. That's the play position. That's probably also play, or that's rewind, one of the two. Different heights. And press it again. Put it in there, and you put the cover on. It's got the sponge, which is good. It's not disintegrated. So enough talk. Let me hook this up to my computer speakers, because the onboard sound sucks. And we will play something. And hopefully Susan don't get her panties in a knot. Alright, I think I'll show you how to load it. Just like I said, put this down to 1. Take your reel. This has like a little spring-loaded locking pin underneath here. I can show you real quick. A little bitty pin there. So make sure this goes in a certain way. It's heavy, so I don't want to drop it either. Can I push you on with one hand or not? I cannot push that on with one hand. Let me pause. Alright, got it snapped on. So unravel it till you get to some good parts on it. Get past all the broken splices. Get to about there. And I feed it through like this. Under here, through here, down, around there. Make sure it gets tucked under there correctly enough. Put out the back. It's going to blow away because I got the fan on. So you get the idea. It's underneath there. And you feed it up in there and thread it on there. So let me do that. Alright, it's plugged in. She's threaded. Got to do the 3. So now it's all taken up. So it goes up under there, out the back, around here. It's threaded. That restores the loop. You got your framing knob up here. So if you get like 2 frames, you adjust it to bring it into 1. It's aimed up here, it's shining on that wall. So let me turn this light off up here. It's dark. If everything is correct, and the audio cable is plugged into my speakers behind me. Let's see. Let's see what happens here.
Are you gonna play tonight?
Positively, and if I don't stop winning, I may use this razor.
Alright. Now it's set to rewind. So this is up. It's clear of the threading. It's into here. So click rewind. And just like that, it's rewound.